Well, this has been my trip so far, about a half hour, and I think I've made it a half mile. So at this pace, we'll be nowhere soon. All right, bags are packed. We are headed to New York today. Gonna go check out a few things there. I'm actually headed to a flight tonight all the way to Lithuania, so we'll get that as a separate vlog as well. I'm gonna try to explore New York. My flight's not till 10 o'clock, so I've got a little extra day of travel here to go about and explore. So see you there. Get to see a little bit of the theater district out there. I'm not sure if we're gonna get to go out and about today. We'll see depending on traffic and parking. I think parking could be a little tough. So we'll at least get you a little clip it today, our vlog from the car itself, and see where we go. So many people, first time I've seen the sun too. Another thing about this city I've never got is that you really don't see the sun because of all the high buildings. But it is what it is. People love it for some reason. Little bit of a drastic change here. This is more my style, to be honest, but more importantly, I was able to find parking. So that's kind of my number one priority when I'm trying to go somewhere, especially if I have a car. So we're at Flushing Meadows Park right now. I'm gonna try to get a bite to eat, explore. I know there's at least one statue here I wanna see. I'm really not sure. I think there's a zoo. Maybe we have time for that, but let's go exploring. Behind me now, it's pretty cool. I think it's splashing on the lens, so you might see some of that as well. I just wanted to share how cool this walkway is. Pretty amazed no one's here right now. I got some photos too, so check out my Flickr for that, but just a really cool experience being in a massive park like this and being able to see really no one down there. So pretty cool shot. Hope you enjoy it. So originally I thought I might be able to actually go up there, and then once I got closer I started to realize that that thing is pretty rusty and I definitely don't want to be up there. Pretty sure it's condemned and closed. Would have been a cool view, but maybe next time. So I wasn't sure fully what to expect today on my trip to New York. I knew it was going to be short. I wanted to see the city, but you get some shots from the car. There was so much traffic I couldn't find parking. I'm actually really happy with the walk I took in Flushing Park. I got a lot of cool photos, so let me go ahead and show some of those right now. We definitely got the lake, we got the towers, some different statues. I was pretty excited about that. So overall, I'd say the trip was a win. I did want to see downtown, so maybe we'll save that for another vlog in the future. Keep watching and subscribe if you like and want to see more.